In this video, let me show you the way that you set up the Telegram two-factor authentication. If you don't want unwanted access to your Telegram account and want to know whenever someone does, let me show you the way that you set the two-factor authentication. Now, whenever you try to set up a two-factor authentication on Telegram, it firstly asks you to create a unique password. So to first of all head over to the two-factor authentication, you need to tap on the three lines on the top left of the screen and then head over to settings. From settings, if you scroll down, you'll need to head over to privacy and security. And right here under security, you'll see the option called two-factor authentication. And once you tap on the set password option, first of all, create a password that you can remember that you'll need to use whenever you log into a different device. Once you type in your password, you can tap on the arrow on the bottom right, and then you'll need to again re-enter it. In the next step, it's going to ask you to add in an email so that you can recover your password in case you forget it. So add in your email address and then tap on the arrow on the bottom right again. Now your verification code will be sent to the email address that you just entered in. Just head over to your email and then paste in the code. And there you go, your password now has been set, which means the two-factor authentication now has been enabled. Whenever you now try to log into your account, you will need to enter in this password, also the code that has been sent to your email address. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.